so excited to share with you my brand new flavor of Summer in a Cup. It's called Aloha, and it goes along with the classic Summer in a Cup and also Summer in a Pitcher, because sometimes you just need more. And I'm going to show you 4 ways to make this drink, starting with the classic way, which is 2 parts mix and 1 part spiced rum in this case. This is the classic way. And then you just shake it up and that's it. Aloha. The second way to have Summer in a Cup Aloha, I call a hang 10 sangria. So I've got some mango here that I've chopped up, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the fruit into the pitcher because it makes it pretty and also adds flavor to the drink. A little bit of pineapple, and I got some really pretty bright orange tangerines here that I've sliced. Now I'm just gonna add half of your favorite bottle of white wine and half the pitcher full of Aloha. That sound just makes me happy. And that's how a crowd hangs 10. The third way to make Aloha Summer in a Cup is tropical tea. This is just a non-alcoholic version that is really yummy and tasty. So I'm just adding straight to my glass half of the Aloha mix and then half tea. And I'll garnish with some mint. I mean, it doesn't really get easier than that, right? The last drink we're gonna make with Summer in a Cup Aloha is my twist on a pina colada. So we're gonna make an Aloha colada. So I've got a big pitcher of ice here, and I'm gonna add to it some fresh coconut milk and some spiced rum and Aloha. 3 ingredients. We're just gonna give it a stir. Oh, that looks so good. And that's 4 ways to have Summer in a Cup Aloha. Check out my new summer food collection at williamsonoma.com.